This is a tutorial on how to format the article for the summary response essay on your references page. Because the name of this article is a little strange because of the quote marks and the question mark, I thought I would walk you through that process. So let's open up a page and do our references. You're going to center on the page in bold font the words references. You're going to set your spacing to 2 or double spacing. Then you'll set your alignment back over to the left. Use the drop down for paragraph and under indentation choose hanging and say OK. We're going to start with the author, and that is Mikkel Zinstein. So if I can spell that correctly, Zinstein, comma, whoops, I've got it in bold. Let's take that off. No bold, comma, space, and then the first initial period, and then the date. The date is July 23, 2015. And we do it year, comma, month, day, period, space. And then we're going to put the title. Do students need growth mindsets and grit to succeed in the classroom? On the references page, you will use what we call sentence case. And that's the capitalization that you would use when you type a sentence. So you would only capitalize the first letter of the first word in a sentence. So we're going to go, let's see, do students need growth mindsets and grit? Do students need, and that's where we put the little single quote, growth mindsets and grit. Let me make sure I'm doing that correctly. Oh, grit does not have it. Mindsets and grit to succeed in the classroom. And it ends in a question mark. Normally you would end the title with a period, but since this has a question mark in it, you would want to keep that. Okay, so that's the title of our article. The next thing is the source. So it's in the Atlantic magazine, and that will be in italics. Notice that the hanging indent has automatically moved the information over to the right on that second line. So you do not hit enter at the end of the line. You just keep typing and let the hanging indent move the information and indent in this sort of reverse paragraph way. All right, the other piece of information is the access, and there is the, whoops, try that again. There is the URL, if I can grab it, and we're going to put that at the end. Well, that didn't work very well. Let's see if we can change our formatting. There we go. Now, I do want to not have that be in italics, so I'm going to take that off of italics. And now you can hit enter. That will show the hyperlink, and you're done with that entry. So once again, references bold in the middle. You're going to have double spacing. Use hanging indent. Be sure to use author, last name, comma, first initial period, in parentheses, year, comma, month, day, period. The title using sentence case, capitalization rules. The publication in italics with a period, and then you end with the URL address. Hopefully that will be helpful for you as you complete this assignment.